2022 Infiniti QX60 makes its debut in North American showrooms, with a plethora of standard features to go along with its tranquil interior and stylish design. The 2022 Infiniti QX60 starts at $46,850 MSRP and is offered in 4 well-equipped versions, each of which has intelligent all-wheel drive. For the 2022 model year, the Infiniti QX60 finally enters its second generation, after undergoing a complete redesign. The first generation, which had only had minor alterations since 2014, was getting older. After a 2021 hiatus, Infiniti reintroduced its opulent 3-row SUV with current styling, increased luxury, and an abundance of cutting-edge driver assistance features. The interior doesn't have the same quality as a BMW or Mercedes, but it's still impressive and on the same level as an Acura or Lexus. High-tech features and advanced driver aids are where QX60 takes a substantial leap forward for the new model year. Standard features include a 12.3-inch central touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, Tri-Zone automatic climate control, forward collision mitigation, and rear automatic braking. Cargo space is competitive, and so is towing. The QX60 maxes out at 6,000 pounds. Additionally, the top autograph trim offers superb luxury and unique features, such as a removable rear center console and a black roof with black roof rails. The 2022 Infiniti QX60 is offered in Pure, Luxe, Sensory and Autograph trim levels. Front-wheel drive is standard on every trim, with all-wheel drive available across the lineup. The QX60 is powered by a single engine choice, a 3.5-litre V6 that produces 295 horsepower and 270 pound-foot of torque. It's backed by a new 9-speed automatic transmission. Thanks for watching, and leave your comments below.